everyone. Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and here's Taylor. She's younger. She's carrying the lumber. We passed our first inspection. All we have to do is put the deck on and one stair. Now that's an issue. The lumber that we got from Lowe's, there were a few that were kind of bad. I'll use them somewhere else, so I went to get some. There's a shortage of lumber.
So 6 of them were bad.
6. So we're gonna make 3 do, you know, because I need stairs. Originally I was gonna put like a bench so you could sit here. We're those people that take off your shoes when you go in because I have pine floors. And I'm not sure I'll ever have pine floors again. You look at them, they do. So anyway, I was gonna make this really cute shoe rack, you know, for the summer, and we're just gonna have a regular step now. One day we could maybe add, but all we have to do is get these straightened out, and hold on, I'll help you, and then start screwing them in. So we'll let you know how it goes when I'm done, and then Stefan has an announcement. Bye.
Yo, today we're gonna make.
No, don't draw yet.
Yo, we're just gonna make the lines here.
The stairs, yeah. So
Right.
I already marked them.
And this
8 inches in between.
Grammy.
I know. Hold on. Ready? 8 inches. Okay, right here.
Whoa.
Right here. Okay.
Yo,
This here. Put this here.
yo, this is an important job for us.
Really hard. Okay, that's good.
And then we open it.
Wait a minute.
And then
Here. Same.
I want,
Go.
and I want to find the bee.
Up top. Here.
And this is a hard job for kids. Right, Grammy?
Okay, go.
We're doing
Okay.
I think they can do it. It's easy for me. Yo, it takes calmness to do this. Yo, you hold in place and then you take it out. And then the best part is, and don't worry, it's hard, but wow, I am quick. I can do it on my own. There's a cool way to do this. So, if you don't want to try 2 at a time, don't do it. Just let someone else do it. Try 2 at a time is easy. Right, Grammy?
Mm-hmm. Little. See?
We better do one really quite worried.
Go. Soft. That's it. Go. Okay, good. Just tiny bit. There you go.
And now we're the zebra fly. The zebra fly is amazing. And now for
Are
the
you
other.
I'll do it. Okay, I'm gonna pre-drill.
Hey, when we finish this, then we can go
Come
back
here.
over here. Okay.
Okay, right here.
Don't knock them out. Strange, right?
Yeah, why not let off? Hold on, stand up. You have to stand up. Not yet, not yet. Okay. Straight down with the pencil. Not that one.
No, find something else to do.
Wait. Pookie. Okay?
Stefan, she's taking a video.
Come on, guys, let's go by. Yeah. Here's the banana. Whoa!
My Spanish guy had never heard of canola oil. Hi, welcome back.
So, we finished the deck. We are going to have our official Zoom meeting out here tonight. The stairs, one stair went okay. Stefan helped for most of it.
And this stair is not moving.
Yeah, like it's over fastened. Like you
Good,
could take several
good.
refrigerators.
It's not started yet.
It's going.
No.
I see it.
Oh. No.
So anyway, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna do a video on propagating
You
petunias,
started?
and I put the petunia plants up here so you can see it. Actually, this petunia grows all year. It kind of dies back for the winter in the basement, and then with the peppers, and then it comes back. So stay tuned for that. And woohoo! We did it!
Please subscribe, like, and share this video.
Oh,
And
yeah!
Stefan.
One more deck.
And as Stefan says, like even if you don't like it.
Oh, yeah. And hit the bell button.